Hey guys, this is Tanya and welcome to my channel. So today we are starting off from Coimbatore and leaving to Thusharagiri in Kozhikode, Kerala. So it is a pretty village known for its waterfalls and we are traveling by road. It is going to take us 5 hours to reach there.
I've just reached Thusharagiri. You can see the mountain there. This place is actually 50 kilometers from Calicut. Though it seems very short, we had to drive a long way here.
This is the cottage I am staying at. It's called the Fortune Resorts. It is a small little place, so it's very cute. They also have an outdoor dinner table. So this is it guys. How cool is this place? They have also got our own little waterfall here. Back outside, I thought I would take a stroll around here so that I find if there is anything new. I have just reached the Thusharagiri bridge. The water is gushing here. I think you guys can hear the water flowing. You need to have a look. Now I've come here to do some shopping. I found a place very close by. So let's see. I bought this at the store there. The lady made me try and I can't stop using it. This is so very relaxing. The other thing I bought here is the scrub. This doesn't hurt your skin and so I wanted to try it. And yeah, I got an umbrella, you guys. You have to have an umbrella because it keeps raining. So I bought this colorful one for 200 bucks. It's time for dinner now and we are just beside the little waterfall having our food. So we have some beef and kappa for tonight. So I'm going to finish my dinner and head off to bed soon. So good night guys, let's meet tomorrow. Hi guys, good morning. I woke up to this really pretty view. There are ducks all over the place. I mean, I wish I could wake up to this every day. I'm on my way out to eat at this restaurant just outside my room. It is called the Variety Foods restaurant. So let's see what I get there. Oh my god, I'm served with puttu papadam and bananas. This is really yummy. So today we'll be going to the Chalipula river to watch the International Kayaking Championship and then we'll be going to the Thusharagiri Falls, which I'm really excited about. I'm at the start point of the slalom competition. This is the Chalipula river, you can see it here. There are people gathered to witness the race. This is the 6th edition of the Malabar River Festival. So let's have some fun. Down the river. I'm sitting on a rock here. Oh, there are the kayakers. Yeah! It is raining heavily now, so I have to get back home. But it was great seeing the kayakers up close. I had so much fun and enjoyed every bit of it. As the rain has subsided a bit, we are next going to the Thusharagiri Falls, for which I have been waiting all this while. The entry fee is 30 for Indians and 50 for foreigners. There, I see the waterfall! But wait, this isn't big. I thought it was going to be beautiful. Now guys, don't be disappointed. This isn't the main waterfall. You'll have to wait and watch. I think we are pretty close to the waterfall now. I can hear it and also see a little bit of it. Oh my god, I'm really excited. I think we'll have to go this way. So now I am walking the bridge that is built across the waterfall. This place is so really amazing. I really don't know why this is so famous. So let me show you. So there you can see the waterfall. So that's it for today, guys. If you get a chance, go visit Thusharagiri and surrender yourself to this beauty. So meet you next time with an all new travelogue. And if you like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Bye bye.